My name was Natalie Nunny, bitches still couldn't chin check me. That's word to Chanel, they ain't nothing to see. Bitches on TV channeling me. Have a drink about babe, I'm in landscape.
Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I know it's been a minute since I've been posting my hair content, but I'm back. So today we're going to do an unboxing of these irons I bought, the T3 Twirl ceramic irons. I bought these irons because they was on sale. I bought them in like July and I got them in August. I know it's like September, but I'm literally just now finna open them. I didn't open the box because I knew I was gonna do this video, but yeah, I want to try these irons because they're like really popular right now. But they had these on sale for $60, and I think the original price was like $150. So I mean, they might as well be just as good as the other one. So we're gonna try them and see if they really, you know, worth the hype, if the brand period is worth the hype. Okay, so as I open the box, oh yeah, I ordered the Twirl ceramic satin blush rose. I forgot I ordered the pink ones. So hold on, let me see, I gotta cover up my stuff, my info. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so you see it's a final sale and it's the, you know, the Twirl ceramic blah blah blah. And because, like I said, because they was on sale, they are final sale. Yeah, like I can't return them, so they better be good. And like I said, I ordered it in July. I ordered it July 27th, so, and they came August the 3rd, and it's like September the 5th. So yeah. Okay, so I'm opening it. Okay, so as I'm opening it, like I said, I had that little sheet. This is the invoice sheet with all the phone numbers and stuff, which I won't need it, right? Because I can't return it. So okay, I don't know. But anyway, let me open it. Like I said, it's just this little, nothing else in here with this paper, this box, and this Twirl ceramic T3 Twirl ceramic. And I got the pink one. Let me see this thing. I got the 1 1/4 inch professional curling iron. Wait, so it is digital T3 single pass technology, Gloss ceramic barrel, 5 digital heat setting, and auto world voltage. I wonder what that means. Heat resistant. Okay, so it comes with a heat resistant storage pouch. Yeah, whatever that is, a heat resistant storage pouch, please. Okay, so beautiful shiny curls that last. 95% of women agree this curling iron creates soft, shiny, frizz-free curls. Did I say 96? 95%. Okay, digital T3 single pass technology, period. Ceramic technology for endless shine. Okay, and it's just I'm just reading, sorry, I'm just reading what it's saying in the back. It's a cute box. I like the packaging. 1 hour auto off. So this is for me right here. Cause when I was in high school, my mom used to get on me all the time about leaving my flat iron on, and I wouldn't even, child, please. I used to always leave my flat iron on, not knowing though. So that's cool. Like, it'll turn off by itself. Smart microchip for even consistent heat during styling. Okay, ceramic heater technology evenly distributes heat across the barrel for one pass results. Okay. Gloss ceramic barrel glides smoothly for frizz-free, shiny finish that lasts. Okay, let's see. Let's open it. Let's see what we get. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, but this how it look on the inside, y'all. nothing too special. Okay. Okay, and it's the okay, so we got the iron. It comes with this little thing. Okay, and this is the pouch. I wonder if you can fit like okay, it's like 2 pouches, so you can fit like 2 things in here. So yeah, I like this. Okay, so this is the iron. Okay, and this is the heat setting. So I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so we have 260, 300, 350, 390, and 410. So all right, let's see how they work. Okay, so I had to come back right quick because I realized I really didn't tell y'all how I liked the irons. As you can see, I didn't wrap my edges up, so I'm not taking it down. But I do want to say I like these. I mean, I think they're worth the hype because, you know, I used them. They heated up really fast. And they, I mean, the curls are a little loose now because I've been playing with them. But they still cute. I can see these lasting for like, I'm sure they're going to last a few days, like if not a week. Now this side might need a little touch up, but still I think it's still gonna be cute. The irons, they really cute, they classy, they heated up really fast, and they curl really cute like y'all saw. I liked it. So, you know, I guess I give it a, I don't want to give it no 10 because you know products can always be better. But I rated like a 8, 9. Like, it's really good. They're really good to me. I like them. So, yeah. And as you can see, I really didn't have no holding spray. So, I was like putting it in my hand and rubbing it and then putting it on. So, but still, like, yeah, I like them. So, yeah. But, yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in to my video. Yeah, like I said, they're cute. I think my curls turned out cute. I'm not going anywhere. So, you know. But if I was going somewhere, it didn't take me long to do my whole head. You know, it took me less than 30 minutes. So, yeah, I like them. So, but yeah, anyway, thank y'all for tuning into my video. And I'll see y'all next time.